Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. Tiguan R-Line 2.0 TDI 150PS comes available at Oldham Volkswagen in a stunning deep black pearl finish and it looks remarkable. The car is currently being used as a demonstrator, so mileage is due to change, but it's been well maintained during its life cycle. We have the stunning upgraded 20-inch York black alloy wheels, which complement the exterior finish well, creating a really captivating and sportier look to the vehicle. A large boot capacity big enough to fit stuff like suitcases inside, with additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel as well. ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the center console, and USB-C inputs for fast charging. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the immersive dashboard display, which we'll touch on this soon, and pan around you can see a clean and well-maintained interior consisting of the sole and black interior upholstery, and the seats look very sporty. We have the upgraded panoramic sunroof, which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view. The multifunction steering wheel also incorporates DSG shift paddles for manual gear changing, and on the dashboard display you can show key information like your driving data, audio and your telephone. The car also features a heated steering wheel with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozy winter experience. And over on that left hand side we also have features like the adaptive cruise control to keep you at a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and a layer of comfort throughout your everyday travels. The infotainment screen offers a wide array of different options, and accessing the new scroll wheel, you can actually configure your driving modes whilst on the move. Features like Eco are a bit more fuel efficient, while Sport offers a more performance-based drive, and Individual allows you to tweak a wide array of different settings, enabling you to get to that perfect driving position. And then you of course have your new atmospheres. Accessing the heated and massage seats, here you can see you have a wide array of different functionalities to tailor your experience for a much more comfortable driving experience. For example, you can choose between the 3 different massage functionalities the car does host, the intensity of it and the duration as well, and the same again for your passenger. Then of course you have your 3 different heat intensities as well to choose from, offering an ultimate cozy winter experience. Lastly, accessing the rear view camera alongside your parking sensors as well ensure confidence and safety in every maneuver, ensuring to minimize the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centers where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. We can access this by pressing the button or simply popping the car into reverse. On the approved used vehicle. This vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty alongside 2 years roadside assistance and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.